Happy learning everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel ay huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang bell button para updated ka sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos. Happy learning class! How are you doing today? I hope you're all good. Please stay home and keep safe. Let's start our lesson for today. At the end of the video lesson, you should be able to compose clear and coherent sentences using appropriate conjunctions and or but. What word can you form out of these jumbled letters? T-I-O-N, S-J-U-N, C-C-O-N. Hint: C-O blank, J blank, N blank, P-I blank, N blank. If your guess is conjunctions, you got it right. Now, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words which connect two or more words or group of words. Conjunctions are simply connectors. And, but, and or are common conjunctions called coordinating conjunctions. And, but, and or connect ideas which are closely related. Let us look how do these conjunctions work with the following examples. I need to bring a ruler and a calculator to school. Do you want pancakes for breakfast, or would you rather have eggs? Some kids were afraid to dive into the pool, but I wasn't. What have you noticed among the sentences presented? How are the different coordinating conjunctions used in each sentence? Again, I need to bring a ruler and a calculator to school. You will notice that the first idea, I need to bring a ruler, and the other idea, a calculator to school, is joined by the conjunction and, because and is used to express addition. Another example. We had chicken and mashed potatoes for supper. The two interrelated ideas are joined by the conjunction and. Next, do you want pancakes for breakfast, or would you rather have eggs? We will notice that the two ideas tell some options. That's why we use or, because or is used to express choice. Another example. We can go by bus or we can walk. Next, we will notice that there is some contrast in these two presented ideas. Some kids were afraid to dive into the pool, but I wasn't. That's why we used conjunction but, because but is used to show contrast. Another example. I called, but he did not answer. Let us now sum it up. Conjunctions are words which connect two or more words or group of words. Conjunctions are simply connectors. And, but, and or connect ideas which are closely related. And, but, and or are common conjunctions called coordinating conjunctions. We use and to express addition. We use or to express choice. And we use but to show contrast. Let us challenge our minds. Complete the following sentences using the conjunctions and, but, or. Most people work by day, blank sleep by night. If your answer is and, you are correct. Most people work by day and sleep by night. I think he will come. Blank, I am not sure. Correct. The answer is but. I think he will come, but I am not sure. On a warm summer day, will you wear black shirt, blank a white shirt? The answer is or. On a warm summer day, will you wear black shirt or a white shirt? I wanted to buy a new pair of shoes, blank, I don't have enough money. The answer is but. I wanted to buy a new pair of shoes, but I don't have enough money. Next. I can't decide whether to take gymnastics, blank, figure skating lessons. Yes, the answer is or. I can't decide whether to take gymnastics or figure skating lessons. I like chicken, blank, I don't like fish. Correct, the answer is but. I like chicken, but I don't like fish. Do you want tea, blank coffee? The answer is or. Do you want tea or coffee? Marisa loves swimming, blank, gymnastics. The answer is and. Marisa loves swimming and gymnastics. She says that she loves her dog, blank, she never plays with it. The answer is but. She says that she loves her dog, but she never plays with it. Have you answered those questions correctly? If yes, congratulations. If not, you can still go back to the previous slides to study well. I hope you learned something today. See you on our next lesson. Please stay at home and keep safe. For our next lesson, we will try to use the conjunctions introduced to you today to connect two sentences. Here is the introductory video. Please watch.
The compound sentence. The compound sentence is a sentence containing two or more independent clauses, connected by a coordinating conjunction such as and, but, or. You can visualize it something like this. Here are our independent clauses, and here they are linked together by one of our coordinating conjunctions, and, but, or. Remember, As we learnt in our video on independent clauses, you can also think of an independent clause as a single, complete thought. So, what does all of this look like in reality? Here's an example. I opened the door, and I went outside. Notice that both of our independent clauses are single, complete thoughts, and that each could stand on its own as a simple sentence.